Today I'm going to be showing you the correct way to use a ratchet strap. It comes in two parts. We've got the main strap here with a hook on the end, and also we've got the ratchet mechanism with a small bit of webbing and a hook on this end. Very simple to use. You secure one end. In this case we're going to be using our vise. You secure one end and then close up your ratchet strap so that you can get your webbing from the other piece through there and back out. I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so when you've got your hook on at one end and the other, you take the main strap, the main piece of webbing, and as you can see it's got one side which is plain and one with these stitching. This is so you know it's up. Make sure there's no twists in it. And with this ratchet closed, you simply feed it up from underneath, take up all the slack, and then feed it back the way that the webbing's coming from. And it's simply a case of unlocking the ratchet and giving it a couple of pulls on the ratchet to get this nice and tight. And then when it's tight, you have to lift this mechanism up and pull it down till it gets into this locking position. Simple as that. What I like to do, like in this instance, there's lots of webbing, and as you're normally using this to tie something down in the back of a trailer, and you don't want this loose end to be flapping around in the wind, could cause damage to your vehicle or somebody else's. So what I like to do, simple way to keep it nice and tidy, is to roll it up so far, leaving a little bit of a hole in the middle, place a loose end through that loop, and then put that bit you wound up back through there again, and that'll keep it nice and tight and out of the way and stop it from flapping around. Simple as that. And to undo it, just push it all back through that loop. Now, how to release, this can be a tricky part when there's got lots of tension in there and it could have been down for a while. They can be quite stiff to undo, but it's real simple. Remove this lock by pulling it forward, and then you pull the ratchet all the way back to the unlock position, which is there, and then grab the whole thing and pull it forward, and now you're loose and you can release all that webbing. And that's it. And finally, I like to keep a cable tie around the webbing to keep it all from falling apart, and you can reuse that over and over again.